Hey guys, it's Francis and I have a collaboration for you, and we got to use our mini-me's in this one. So I want to thank Nerdy Nails for hosting this one, and here's a look at what all the other ladies have done in this collaboration. Make sure that you go check theirs out. I will list them below as I always do. And if you're coming from one of their channels, welcome, and I hope that you enjoy this video. This last one is my creation, and keep watching if you want to see how I did it. Guys, it's Francis and
I'm back, you guys. It's me, Evan. I'm back. Yay!
And we're doing this week's YouTubers Weekly Stamping collab, and the theme was a green Manny, but the little twist was that we needed to have our mini-me's with us. So I have Evan back with me by popular demand.
Yay!
And he has chosen the colors as well as the designs for the manicure all by himself. And why don't you show them my base color?
This is Mama's base color. What's it called again?
Well, the company is Beyond the Nail, and the name is on the bottom, and it's called
Elf.
Elf. And
Which
it is
weird
a dark green. It looks like a linear holographic, and it's got larger green circle glitters in it that, when they catch the light, are really super cool, aren't they?
Yeah. Also, the different way you tilt them looks different.
Yeah, it's how you catch the light. So this is my base color on all my nails. This is the look that he came up with. And then we'll show you the plates and the designs in 1 second. Let me get everything together.
These are the polishes Mama's going to be using.
For stamping. The polishes for stamping.
This is the Beauty Big Bang gold polish, but
Yeah,
it's
there's
called
a number on the bottom. 011.
011, yeah.
And I'll put a discount code. I have a 10% off code for Beauty Big Bang, and I'll put it down the description bar. And
this is the nail lacquer
from Bundle Monster.
from Bundle Monster.
And
it is called Empire Club.
Empire Club, right.
These are the polishes Mom will
No.
be using today.
Stamping plates.
Stamping plates.
Right. And these are also Bundle Monster.
Um,
This is from their holiday collection several years ago, and I'll link it below as well.
the one with all the St. Patrick's Day stuff on it is BM-HO4.
Mm-hmm.
And the other one is BM-HO5.
And then show them which of the images we'll be using.
Mom will be using the this little horseshoe right here, all these little tiny shimrocks, and these gold coins.
Right.
On BM-HO5, she will be using this pretty little thing right here, and this barrel.
Right. So let me go ahead and get my paper towel together and all my stamping equipment. Oh, and we'll be using this Edgeibus clear stamper and a Nicole Diarrhea thick scraper to get the job done. So we'll be right back.
And we are back.
Yeah, we're starting off with a thumb, and we're going to go with these real small shamrocks. No, you have a couple choices with this image. For me, my thumbnail is on the longer side, and this image might not make it completely. It didn't. I had to double stamp on this nail for that image. Or you could
Just go with it. Just deal with the flow.
Or we could do this. What do you think? Should we try something different?
You're gonna use Pinky?
No, I'm going to use a squishier stamper head, and I'm going to make the image bigger.
Oh.
Okay? And I'll show you how
I asked if you were using Pinky.
Pinky.
You were.
Oh, you've
I
named
nicknamed
it?
it Pinky.
You've named it?
I've nicknamed it Pinky.
Works for me. Pinky it is. So this is a stickier, squishier stamper head, and this is an old Winstonia one.
Named Pinky.
Named Pinky, apparently. He's now dubbed Pinky. And
She.
I'm very sorry, you're right.
Pinky's a.
So I'm going to pick it up like I normally would, and then I'm going to pull it back to stretch it, and it'll make the image larger.
Don't wobble Pinky too much.
Don't wallow Pinky too much?
I said wobble.
Oh, don't wobble. See how much larger the image is when you do that?
Mm-hmm.
I missed the tip a little bit. Let's see if I can resolve that situation.
Come on.
Okay, now I'm just being difficult. Okay, it's not that big a deal, right?
Yeah.
But that's how you enlarge an image. I like it enlarged. What do you think? I like it better. It's bright. Doesn't it look brighter enlarged? Yeah, it looks brighter enlarged. Okay, and then on this plate also we're going to be using the gold. And this one is going to go where? Where was this one again?
That one
The coins?
Let me check it. It's the pinky. Yeah, the pinky.
Okay. You know what I'm thinking? Maybe it was also brighter because I used a stickier stamper instead of a clear stamper. And that's on the pinky?
It's kind of pretty. Except we have so much glare from the lamp.
Yeah, there is a bit of glare from the lamp, I know. Here, let's bring it in a little closer. What do you think?
Here.
There. Now you can see it better. And then on this one...
You'll probably see it better.
This one goes on my index finger, right?
Yeah. You'll probably see it better when we go under the UV lamp.
To what?
You'll probably see
Oh, we're not going in the UV lamp.
Why?
Because it's not gel. It only goes in the UV lamp if it's gel.
Sorry guys, I don't know that much about nail polish.
Well, you're not supposed to know. You don't need to know that much about nail polish. Oh, I got it a little low on that finger, but
I don't mind.
yeah, I don't mind
It looks a
either.
little bit like a magnet. I don't.
It does kind of look like a magnet. You're right.
It looks kind of like a lucky magnet.
A lucky magnet. I like it. I'll allow it.
I've actually seen people have
So on this one, we're going with the barrel and
And-
the big shamrock with the little shamrocks. I really love this image. I'm glad you picked it. And this one's going
on the.
on the middle finger.
Sorry for pausing a lot. We just need the other hand reference.
Okay. And this one's going on my middle finger. Oh, I made it a little wonky.
You butchered it.
I butchered it a little bit, yeah. You know what, I'm gonna try and I'm gonna enlarge this one a little bit.
Still wobbling it.
I know.
Ooh.
Oh no. You know what we're gonna do here? We're gonna take that's not okay. We're gonna take a piece of larger tape. What is this? Scotch tape. And I'm gonna remove the image with Scotch tape. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Did you know I could do
What
that?
am I looking at? I don't see anything.
Uh-huh.
No, seriously, I don't see anything
Right, because I'm
anymore.
taking it off. Oh, I think I got it almost all off.
Yeah, you got almost all off.
Almost. Oh, yeah, I see a little bit too. Let's remedy that.
You're being a perfectionist.
I am. I know. I know. That's one of my flaws. All right. So then let's take some acetone and clean off the image, and we'll start again. This time I won't be so wonky about it. What do you think?
And hopefully maybe Pinky can help us again.
Oh, I don't think we're gonna need Pinky for this one. I just need to not.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I just need to not be so weird about. No, because I really want like a better placement for this particular image.
Oh.
You know what I might do? Go with the flatter. Let's go with a flatter.
Flat.
Yeah, a flat, even more flat stamper. And then there we go. Nailed it.
Oh, I get that. Nailed it.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
There, much better, right?
Pun was not intended.
Pun was totally intended.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah, absolutely. 100%. Ooh.
Surely you jest.
I don't, Justin. Don't call me Shirley. Where did that other... There it is. Alright, and then this one is going on the pinky. Or, not the pinky. Come on, you're supposed to catch me in these things. The ring finger.
Do I really have to catch you in these things?
You usually correct me in everything else, so why not this too? Alright, so then what's our last step? He just made a crack about my old age.
She's not really that old. I was just joking.
Mm-hmm.
I was joking.
Okay. So what's our final step?
Final step?
What's our final step?
Eating pizza.
No, what's our final step for the manicure?
Final step for the manicure, we top coat.
We top coat.
As always.
Right, and I think we can speed this up and we top coat. Why do we top coat? Do you know? Have you ever heard me say why we top coat?
Because we want to make sure nothing happens.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Other than I flood the entire nail. Right, we want to make sure that the
just like no one in the art.
That we seal in the design.
Just like no one in the art, just like.
Yeah, it was a bit of a flood. Okay. All right. So then we've top coated, and we are done. Except for I've got a little bit of cleanup around the edges. Should I do that on camera or should I just do that off camera?
Off camera.
Yeah, let's do that off camera.
Please.
And then we'll come back and we'll say goodbye. Okay? Let me go clean up and we'll be right back.
Oh, and we are back.
Yeah, we are back. And I have cleaned up with a little bit of acetone. It was a really quick cleanup actually. And I put some cuticle oil around my cuticles. And this is the final look. So what do you think?
Well, I could.
How about now without a lemon head in your mouth?
Hold on. I like it.
Yeah, I like it too. I like it too. You did good, bud.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, let us know what you think in the comments below. And thank you for spending your time with us. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time.
Please
Bye.
subscribe if you've not subscribed. She's a very, very, very great woman, and she'll do amazing things, I promise you.
And ladies and gentlemen, my biggest fan. Thank you guys again for watching. Thank you for spending your time, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.
Bye.